Last autumn, Tom and his daughter Molly took a trip to the forest. They bought warm clothes at a local store, then stopped by a small coffee shop for a quick snack. Molly wanted chocolate, while Tom ordered a bottle of water. They walked slowly through the soft, muddy ground, listening to birds calling in the trees. Tom wore a scarf and gloves, and Molly held a journal to take notes about nature. After walking for an hour, they found a comfortable bench near a small pond, where they rested. Molly read a book about turtles, and Tom enjoyed the calm atmosphere. It was a peaceful day, filled with laughter, learning, and a deeper connection with nature.